Hey there, this is Mark from RaceGrooves. This is a sponsored video for Alpha Group. They provided GRRRUMBALL as well as financial support. GRRRUMBALL is available on Amazon, at Walmart, and other fine retailers. Not only does it have a spin attack, it has a smash attack as well. Ooh, look at those eyes. That was a fun intro, but how about we do some racing? After all, it's RaceGrooves. By the way, the finish line cones, they don't have to knock them all down, but these over here, they have to knock down at least the top 2 rows. Both racers are starting behind the yellow squares. Amanda's way over there. Amanda, are you ready? Jeremy, are you ready? Fantastic. On your marks, get set, go! The remote control has settings for stealth mode and also fun GRRRUMBALL sound effects. The right button is to help adjust your steering, and I will show you the left button in just a moment. Tap the left button for spin attack. Press and hold the left button for smash attack. Jeremy wins the first half. Jeremy has 1 point on the board. Sorry, Amanda, you're down. It's okay, you can win this one and tie it up. GRRRUMBALLs, are you ready? On your marks, get set, go! You gotta go around that blue one, Amanda. What? You have to go around the blue one. Let's watch Jeremy's run again. It was a perfect run. Jeremy defeats Amanda 2-0. An important thing for you to know, in order to have more fun, it's better to have the arms up off the ground. You don't want it dragging. Another thing, on the bottom, it has these little wheels. You want your GRRRUMBALL to stand up on those small wheels. When Jeremy was racing, he noticed he had come off of the small wheels, so he went back and forth and got it propped back up on those little wheels. As for Amanda, she noticed the same thing. She decided just to reach over and stand it back up. Either way, GRRRUMBALL works better with the hands in the air and propped up on the little wheels.
We've got Jeremy in the near lane. And Dad in the far lane. Racers ready? Get set. Go! And Jeremy's the first to knock over his cups, followed closely by Dad. Down the home stretch we go. Gotta hit the cup. And Jeremy is the winner. This is it. Jeremy's up by 1 point. If he wins this, it's over. Dad, you need this point to stay in the game. This could be it. Are you ready? On your marks. Get set. Go. Oh, Dad, doing awesome. One more cup. And down the home stretch you go. And he has the point. It's time to get down to business. Whoever wins this takes the gold. On your marks. Get set. Go.
No! I saved it!
And Jeremy is the winner. Sad face. And Jeremy's the winner.
It's TerraSect! I showed you TerraSect last year. It's a lot of fun to drive around, and it's even more fun to roll around. You can still find it online and in some stores. Thanks again to Alpha Group for sponsoring this video. Have fun. Bye bye. Try to capture. Try to capture as much as you can. No zooming in. No zooming in.